Today we're playing this fungus battlegrounds to troll people and roast people because they're trash. Okay. Oh wait, I'm gonna get Garu. I'm goated with Garu. Okay, let's find some people to troll and roast because these people are trash. Hold on, let me get the dummy real quick. Garu. Easy, you're trash. Easy Quill, more like easy dumb deal. I don't know what that was, but I'm just saying stuff. Easy! You're trash. Easy. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Pow. 1, 2, 3. Domine. Oh, I'm in the same server? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're dead. Mr. Kitty Cat. Hey! Lol. We're like, I'm gonna be laughing out loud once I beat your ass. Easy. Get all calmed out. Easy. Nah! No. Y'all saw nothing. You saw nothing. Oh, teamers? Oh my god. Oh, hell to the nah. 1, 1. Easy, infinite. Infinite, more like infinite death. Ew. Easy. Get trash. Easy trash. Okay, I don't know how that worked. Okay. Bro, these teamers insane. Bro trying to beat Goku. Oh, heck. Morty? Yeah, you're gonna be in down. Die, Morty. Carl! Who the frick are you, wannabe? Wampa! You want to try? Die. You, Karu-sama. Multi-conde. Nah. Why are you running? Why are you running? Go left. Now Morty. Okay. Well, that's it for this video. Goodbye.